Hey, it's AKAJK, welcome back to another episode of The Daily Grind. I'd just like to say good morning to everyone. I don't know what time you're watching this. I don't know what time you're watching this, but for me it's morning, so definitely coffee here. And some good coffee, yeah. Now I'm sitting in the main garden of this kind of complex that I'm staying in right now. I would usually sit in the one that's near my house, that like the cottage that we've sort of rented. That's full of daddy long legs, which are like massive sort of spider things. So you don't want those getting in your way of working. Like, they make me jump. Yeah, I pretty much hate insects. So, yep, that's my situation with them. Right now I'm going to do some editing. It's 9:37 AM. I woke up an hour ago. Obviously I didn't want to film once I woke up because I was real tired back then. Let's hook up the hard drive. Now editing obviously some episodes of the AKAJK show, which one of them should come out today, so yeah, I'm a bit late on that editing, but you know, all's well. Gotta take out the SD card from the camera right now because, well, gotta plug it in, so I'll catch you a little bit later. Right, I've been out here for like nearly an hour now, finished off the coffee, wait, no, let's get it brighter, yes. So I've been out here for a pretty long while. The charge has deteriorated, it's a 7%, so goodbye. Haven't completed the editing, but you know, the charges are done, so we gotta leave into the house and get this device charged. I don't know if I'll be editing while it's charging or consuming. You know, probably consume a bit and then come out here because I feel much more productive out here. So let's unplug this hard drive. Yeah, get the stuff in and then. So vlog. I'm going to play golf with my fam. When I head back, I'll show you what's been going on with the edit. I've been editing for a pretty long while now, several hours, or many hours, so the edit, in my opinion, turned out very, very well. Very funny video that I edited. Tech Myths one, I'll be sure to leave it up in the cards above. Definitely recommend you go check it out. In my opinion, it's amazing. I do know I made it, but I do tend to critique myself very much, so this one may be the best video I've ever made. Make sure to go check it out in the cards above. But now I'm heading up the stairs to go and play golf, because you know, family matters. Family comes first. So I gotta play with my sister and hang out with my family, because it matters. By the way, if you want to catch up with me on these sort of small events throughout the day, Snapchat is the best place for that. At AKAJK on Snapchat and everywhere else.
Everyone you like. 2 balls, Ali.
Can you get the balls?
Okay. And out.
Right, this is the table I'm going to film at. Just going to get a chair from inside there. Right now, there are no more daddy long legs. No more daddy long legs or weird spider creatures anywhere. Let's check under the table. Well, there's nothing. There's a couple of spider webs, but you know, we got to deal with that. Yeah, that's pretty good. So I'm going to film a video on how to get Spotify Premium for free. Make sure to go check it out when it's out. Yeah, that's it. Let's go. Hey, what is up, people? Welcome back to another episode of the vlog. Hopefully you've had a great day. Maybe it's morning where you are, maybe it's not. And anyways, in this episode, right now, the current time is 10:14. I'm watching The Departed, and maybe 15 minutes time we'll be heading out to look at some more houses. Still in the same beautiful place that I was in yesterday, and I'm working on that short film that I talked about yesterday. Check out yesterday's vlog to see more. And yeah, follow me on all social media at AKAJK. Let's get on with the day. Is that actually a real KFC over there? It looks like crap. Okay, so we're in the town right now, in the center. Sorry that it's windy, but that KFC is just ticking. It's just ticking me off. What the hell? Okay, so now we've got to get to the car as fast as possible so we don't get fined. Well, obviously don't want to get fined. So I'm writing the film script right now, and I have no ideas. I'm very stuck. I'm on like the third scene. I sort of do scenes like the way that people would write paragraphs, in terms of each paragraph is about a certain topic, each scene is about a certain topic or section of the film. Yeah, I'm just at the beginning. This is hard. And yeah, I'm watching YouTube videos at the same time, probably distracting me, but enjoying the process more. I don't know about you, I don't even know if you write films or scripts or write at all. But if you do, then you obviously should know the struggle that comes with this. I'm using Amazon Storywriter right now. Seems pretty good. And yeah, it's hard to think of ideas. I'm doing this about the house that we're in right now and sort of the experience that I'm going to have with it. So I'm writing, but obviously I don't want to write too early, because like I want to write as we go on, so I get the experiences and what we have. But after a few days have passed, I should have had a complete sort of overview of what the experience of the place was like. So yeah, that's what's going on right now.